Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the morning, it's around 8 o'clock, and I'm starting my fat to fab diet, which I had decided to start long ago. But due to procrastination and festivals and eating and bad habits, I couldn't start it. But finally, it's the end of the year, and I have decided that this coming year I want to lose the weight, and because many people have been telling me to lose it, and also not only because of people have been telling me to lose weight, but also I have been feeling like crap lately. I go to the gym, but I have not kept a proper diet. So yes, that's the main reason. It's like I'm putting effort and I'm not getting any results just because I'm not eating well. So that's why I'm starting this diet. So yes, let's do this. I will tell you about everything and I will record my journey throughout. So stay tuned and let's call this a weight loss series. Okay, so I'll catch you back when I have something, when I have my breakfast. So this is my breakfast: methi paratha, one and a half, and green bean sabzi and water. So guys, it is 11:45 now, and I'm eating one banana. And after this, I might have jeera water. So yeah, meet you at the lunch. So for lunch, we have besan chilla with some red carrots and coriander leaves, and chana masala. So it's the evening now, and it is almost 6:30, 7 o'clock. So I did not have tea because I was sleeping. So the last thing I'm going to have for my dinner is pineapple. So yes, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. So today is the next day, and I got up at around 7:30, and the first thing I had was the cloves and haldi turmeric water, and now it is almost quarter to 10. So I've made this for myself. So this is going to be my breakfast. Chapati. This chapati is made of gram flour plus wheat, and this also I've made. I will link the video in the description to which I referred while making the bhaji. It is made of carrot, potato, and matar. So yes, I'm going to enjoy this. Midday fruits, strawberries, and grapes. Brown rice, chapati, half chapati, then the sabzi and curry. Hi guys, it is day 7 and it's the end of week 1, and I'm so happy that I saw the change in the scale when I checked my weight in the morning, and I'm really happy with the weight loss that I have done in week 1 itself. Also because all my efforts have shown results this week. So yes, you check my before and after weight after this clip, and I'll catch you back. So I lost around 2 kgs, and I'm proud of myself for doing that. And yes, I'm going to continue this journey because I have a goal, that is losing 20 kgs in this 3 months. That is by March end, and I have decided like after this 3 months I'm going to do a makeover or something that will make me feel special, like a reward for myself. So yes, also I did not vlog like throughout the week and showed you all the meals because most of the meals were repeated, and I did not want you all to get bored with the content, like the same content again and again. So the next update will be next week, like after 1 week. Also, I want to thank Shivani Duggal because she has been a great motivator as she's been posting like daily vlogs. And yes, she's the one like whom I was watching from so long, and looking at her, I also started my journey. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next week then. Till then, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe because there are more weight loss videos coming your way. Yes, I'll see you.